Unlock the secret to viral TikToks by mastering templates directly in Capcut PC. Let's dive into how you can leverage TikTok's hottest templates for your own creations right within Capcut PC, making video editing a breeze. First, open Capcut on your PC. You'll notice a dedicated templates button right at the top. This is your gateway to a world of pre-designed TikTok magic. Click on it and you'll see a diverse library of categories. These are popular templates directly sourced from TikTok, ready to be customized. Now, let's say you find a cool transition template you want to use for your next video. Simply scroll through the options and click on the template that catches your eye. You can get a quick preview to see how it functions. If you like it, hit the Use Template button. Capcut will then prompt you to import your own photos and video clips. This is where you'll add your personal touch to the template. Simply drag and drop your selected media into the designated placeholder slots. Capcut automatically applies the template's effects, music, and timings. See, your clips are now seamlessly integrated, complete with the template's signature transitions and audio. No need to manually sync beat or add complex effects. Once you're happy with how your video looks, it's time to export. Click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate. Usually, 180p and 30fps are great for TikTok. Then, click Export again. And just like that, you've created a professional TikTok video using a trending template, all within minutes on Capcut PC. Give it a try and start creating engaging content faster than ever before. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips.